Welcome to Learning English with Leanne, Help with Writing. This video will help you to write about sports and exercise. This is for Pre-Intermediate Certificate 1 English students. Sports and exercise. Swimming. I go swimming. He goes swimming. We add an ES for he, she, and it. Running. I go running. She goes running. The gym. Go to the gym. We go to the gym. Yoga. I do yoga. They do yoga. Or she does yoga. Next, we'll look at how to write longer sentences. So what to write? You can start with time, then the sport or activity, and add where you do it. For a little bit more, you can add more information for why you do it. Use because. So here's an example for you. When in the mornings I go swimming, where? At the pool. The next sentence is why. I like swimming because it keeps me healthy and I love the water. The last sentence, we want to add a different activity. Also, I play football with my friends in the afternoons. So you can see we've added time, so when we do these things, and where we do them, with a little bit more information for why. To write another paragraph, you can write about your family, your mother or father or brothers or sisters, and the sports they do. Here's an example for you. Twice a week, my dad goes to the gym because he wants to keep fit, and sometimes we go running on Saturday mornings. My mother doesn't go running, but she does yoga in the mornings. She does it because it keeps her active. So to write more, add more information about when, where, and why you do these activities. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.